Hey you guys, Esikhomesteddah here, and she is back. How are you guys doing? Essie is doing well. I'm so glad to be back with you guys. I miss you guys, and I hope everyone is doing well. I hope everyone is super excited about gardening. The season is right here, right around the corner. So I can give you guys, let's see, a quick update on renovations. I know I did my kitchen reveal, and I did remember that I forgot to give y'all a bathroom reveal, so I'm gonna do that. Give me a day or so. I might even try to get to that today, but I totally forgot about the reveal upstairs with the guys' bathroom, which turned out really nice. I did do some decor there, not a lot, because I want to keep it, you know, nice and clean. I don't want to do all that masculine stuff just yet. But it looks nice. It looks nice. So I wanted to bring you guys an unboxing video on my new appliance. That's for all my appliance junkie queens out there. All right, you guys. So I thought this item would be really good to have in your kitchen, and also if you go camping. And if you need to take something to cook on top in case of an emergency, you can snatch this, easy to go. I know there's several like butane heat plates, cooktop, little small ones out there. But I went to give me some organizing things for my craft room in Ikea. I think it was it last weekend? I don't even remember. But anyway, I ran across this while I was trying to somewhat sketch out things for my craft room that I need and to also pick up. And I ran across this induction cooktop, and I had these in the past. They lasted pretty, I would say, a couple of years they lasted, but when you have kids and they mishandle things at young age, things don't last. We already know that. So I did have like 2 of them in my time, and I always said I wanted to get another one, and this was like, I was standing right next to it not knowing what it was until I looked. I was like, oh no, I gotta have this. I gotta have this. So I wanted to bring this unboxing and share it with you guys. It is called the I don't want to say Tillreda or Tillreda. And it is an induction cooktop. And no, this is not a sponsored video, but I'm thinking I can possibly link this below in my description box. I will try that. But so when I seen it, I said I had to have it. And those that know Esikhomesteddah know that I am an appliance junkie. And I know my sister watching this video, she said, where the hell she gonna put that at? Love you too, boo. And y'all probably saying the same thing, not just my sister. Okay, let's get this out. Oh, and she's pretty. She is definitely kitchen eye candy. Oh gosh. So yeah, you guys. So the weather this week is been pretty nice. We have a lot of rain today. So I couldn't get out and do the things that I've been wanting to get out there and do, but I have done a lot, and I told you guys that I've been working on some different projects and getting it ready for you guys. It's going to be a fun growing season for us. I can't wait to see all you guys projects that you guys are going to be working on. Can't wait to see your gardens begin to bloom. So exciting. Okay, so this is the Tillreda. This is the manual. We're going to put that over there. I'm going to finish getting her out of this styrofoam and this plastic. Okay. So, yeah, you guys, I feel like I'm getting back to normal. So, okay, update on kitchen. So, we ran into a situation with the kitchen light. The one that was replaced, which is right here, this one got replaced. So I think I said in another video that I didn't like that it was not matching the other lights. So they were able to get 2 matching lights for me. When it got to the one over here, they ran into some problems, and they were here probably one night to probably like 7 o'clock trying to get these lights on, but they couldn't. This was causing breaker tripping for some reason. and this one is working fine. So, poor guy, he was such a good worker. I enjoyed him. He was a hard worker. The dude did everything: electrical, plumbing, flooring, everything. He was a hard worker, and he tried. He was like, Ms. Morton, I really try. I'm trying to get both of these lights on you so you can see. I said, look, it's getting late, and I know you mean well, and you've been here all day, so we'll figure this out. So he was able to get this one on, and I could pretty much see in my kitchen, even when this is not on, and I could just use my sink light and cook with no problem. I could see. But again, this one over here was tripping the kitchen. So they supposedly had sent out an electrician, but I haven't heard from him yet. So the manager, the project manager said that she's gonna find somebody else because she was frustrated that they didn't even call me or come out. Oh gosh, this is so pretty. Okay, so that's the update on the kitchen, and actually that's the only thing that needs to be done is that light. Everything else I'm very happy with. I'm so comfortable. I'm loving and enjoying being back in the kitchen. And again, I got so many great things that I want to bring to you guys. So, this is the Tillreda induction cooktop. She is pretty. Oh, wow. Let's look at her. What is this? Oh, okay. I'm thinking this is probably somewhere where you can hang it. I bet that's what that's for. Y'all see that? Okay, she is gorgeous. I think that's exactly what this is. I probably could, you know what? I probably could hook it right on the side of my island, but she'll probably go under my little extra space. Let's see, maybe the book will tell me what that is, but I'm pretty sure that's what it's for. All right, let's see. Yep, I turn right to the page. Let's see what it's saying. 6. Or 1. Okay, wait a second. Let's see what. Wait. You know how your manuals be English upside down or the other language? You know how they do that. Let's see. All right. Yep, that's exactly what it is, a hook hanger. How cool is that? And we all know that the back of it is the air outlet, the vent outlet. That's what we see back here. The vent outlet back here. I like that it has the little spongy kind of legs where it won't even scratch up anything over here or on the cooktop. So that is the actual hook. And I think this one over here is actually another type of hook. So it is a hanging hook. Y'all, this is so cool. Y'all see that? Go get y'all one. All right, wait a second. So I felt like this was a nice cooktop to snatch with you if you want to go camping or in emergency. And I'm sure it doesn't take much power. I'm not sure how much power it will take, but as you can see, it's going to take some power. So I feel like this would be a good camping tool as well as emergency. You could just pick it up and go. Y'all see that? Just snatch it and go. You can pack this in a suitcase. You can pack it in a camping bag, a backpack. You can pack it in a backpack, things of that nature. So, okay. So, yes, it's the hook hanger. Let's see. They call it rubber feet. That's underneath there. And then that piece that's in the back. Okay. So, yes, you have this part that is actually a hook hanger as well as behind. So, I guess what they're doing is giving you a choice if you want to hang it up like this or hang it up like that. So, this is perfect because remember what I told y'all about the little addition that I did to my island in my shelving area. So, if I wanted to bring that shelving area around to this side, I could do it and hang this. But I can also hang it from right here. I can always put a hook right here and hang it. So, oh yeah. It'll fit just fine right there. Really nice. It won't take up a lot of space. So that is one of the reasons, look at her, she is beautiful. That is one of the reasons why I got her for emergency use and also camping and also products this is a great way to do products if you want to work here, if you have an island similar to mine, or if you want to work at your table, like your kitchen table or your countertop. So this is another reason why I purchased this, because you can create a double boil, and those that make products know what I'm talking about. You could create a double boil easy right here, and if you want to go to your kitchen table or your dining table to create your products, it's perfect for that. So it is perfect for creating a double boil, and it's mobile. It is mobile. I love this because it allows you to change up. I don't have to be right here cooking all the time. Another reason why I wanted this as well is because a lot of times when we cooking throughout those big formal days that we like to celebrate, we run out of space. We run out of eye space. So that's another reason why I had this years ago, because years ago I did a lot of cooking. So I always needed more than 4 eyes. Always. I always said when I built, I wanted to have at least 6 eyes, but that didn't pan out that way. Maybe in the near future. But this is excellent to have if you need another area to cook. So there you have it. If all your eyes is being used, you can always bring out your induction stove or whatever you want to call it, burner, whatever. This is perfect for that. Okay, you guys, so I definitely wanted to share this. And remember what I said, it could be purposeful for you. It don't have to be used in the kitchen. You can use this camping. You can take this with you in case of emergency. If you got to bug out. Well, I don't want to laugh at that because that's real talk. We might have to bug out. So if you got to bug out, you got something to snatch with you. And those that do like camping, I'm sure you have like the butanes, which is really good because that's just a form of propane, gas, whatever. And really, we need to be stacking up on those as well. I have been stacking those up because you never know. You want to be able to have the necessities that you need if you got the bug out. All right, you guys? So y'all take that serious about what Uncle Led Farmer is talking about. Y'all get them bug out bags ready. We keep bags ready up in here because we do a lot of traveling. So I've always taught my sons to keep a backpack ready because we do a lot of traveling. We are very spontaneous people. We just get up and just go. And now that my kids is grown, they be like, "Where y'all going? Ain't no shoot. We don't have no diaper bag in here no more. We keep a bag packed." So you wanna take that serious. All those nuggets that Uncle Led is dropping on his video, we need to be like this and support him because he caught my attention more about survival tips. When I got wind of him, when I first seen him, it was survival tips, and then I started to learn a lot of gardening tips from him. But wonderful information that he is putting out, and I'm just gonna say thank you to Uncle Led and Lady Led for everything they do for the community. And yeah, you guys, so definitely drop me a line. Let me know if you got the Tillreda. And I am gonna do some cooking on her. I'm gonna play with her. I'm just not gonna play with her right now. I'm gonna make a special place for her over here. And then I might even hook her over there where I told you guys that cabinetry right there where I keep a lot of my ingredients for my products at. I might hook her right there because it's such an empty space right there. So I might do that. I have space, and I'll find a nice little cozy home area in the house for her, in the kitchen rather. So that is her right there. And I am gonna do a search and see if I can definitely add this link, this direct link for her. And this was $50. Let me get that out there because y'all probably say, well, Essie, you giving us all this information. How much was she? Look, how much was my new kitchen queen gadget? She was $50. Okay. And I'm sure you can find induction pans cheaper. I mean, induction cooktops cheaper, and you can find them very expensive. So I felt like she was reasonable. I paid I think $60 for one before. So yeah, you guys, you know, you want to treat it with care. Keep her wiped off and clean. I'm sure there's several cleaning directions in the book. You definitely don't want to be submerging her in water and soap. You don't want to do those things. But yeah, you guys, I think I'm gonna enjoy this. So I hope everybody's doing well. I'm so glad to be back. I miss you guys. I so miss you guys. I feel like when I see myself on camera, I see you guys. I really do. So all right, you guys, I'm gonna get her put away, and I got some other things that I want to bring to you guys' attention. So you guys stay tuned in, and Essie will see you guys real soon. And again, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. I thank all my YouTube cheerleaders that was cheering me on, and we made it through this renovation, remodeling, makeover together. I definitely got through this with you guys, with all your wonderful comments, your beautiful words of encouragement. I thank you all so very, very, very much. All right, you guys. So Essie got to get out of this kitchen, and she got to get to the next stage. Essie got to get to the next stage for you guys. So I will see you guys real soon on the next video. Peace, family.